Scorpios, let's jump into your reading for the day. I'm hearing several messages here. I am seeing that you might be working upon some kind of documents. You might be actually working upon yourself as well. Your energy is not that high today, and you have some paperwork on your mind. You really want to move away from a scenario that has been tempering on your mind from a long now. I'm hearing that you really need to take that time off for a bit. Okay, just take that time off, spend time with yourself, try to give that space to yourself. If you can, just be there for some time, just around with good flowers or something that can actually soothe your senses, because you need that healing energy. Some of you, I'm hearing also, it can be a scenario of court case. Probably you really want to run away from a situation. It's like you really want to run from whatever is happening at the moment. It's like you are in that kind of mindset, but then that would be just because you are so low today. You know the truth, you know the truth, and the power of that truth is with you. Truth is something that needs no proving at all. It comes on surface automatically. So just be assured of it, okay? Spirit just wants you to take that time out, just so that you can just heal yourself. Come into your energies, come into your flames. Your flame is not ignited, kind of. That is kind of energy that I'm feeling for your day. But then, yes, of course, Spirit wants you to face the truth and move ahead, okay? If you need to take that time out, just take it. Do not stress out. Let's jump into Archangel Michael's blessing for your day. Yeah, Archangel Michael wants you to understand that you created this situation and you have the power to change it. So it's up to you to just change it immediately. All right. Thank you for letting me lean on your strength. That's your affirmation. Thank you for letting me lean on your strength and for reminding me of my personal power. Please guide me to manifest and heal according to divine will, creating peace and blessings for everyone involved. Right? So you're just being asked to just take that, as I said, that take that time out if you need to, because you have created this mindset of yours that is actually just sucking in your energies. Just take that time out, re-energize yourself, move ahead. All right. I wish you all the best for your day, Scorpios. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.